Hey, so go to your Google Classroom, do our favorite thing, which is go to classwork. Class information, remember everything moved, so do now slides, daily slides, remote work, attendance. Sorry, they're cleaning the floors. So open up your remote work, document is right here. And then remember, we went over how you are going to finish your creative culture for Monday, October 26th, when you come in here. So finish create a culture, at least 8 elements, ideally 10 created. Because you are all in different spaces, I did not give work suggestions. You simply have finish create a culture under each one. You know where you're at. A couple of you have 6 or 7, so you just have anywhere from 2 to 4 more to go. At least 8 elements on Monday. The new addition this week is current event. So 2 current events. Do them, give yourself a little bit of a break tomorrow. Do them on Thursday and Friday. Go to our our do now slides. And on Mondays, we do current events. Go to this slide if you need help. I can link in the news sources. I will link in the news sources right here, so if you just want to click on it, you can do that. Use an Upfront magazine. I will add Newsella. So you need to finish your creative culture elements and then do 2 current events. There are 3 remote days, do 2 current events. Let me know if you need anything.